Stop gaming like it's 2012. Meet the STGAubron RGB beast that'll torch lag and slay frame drops. You ever tried a game on a potato? Yeah, that old dusty rig choking on 20 FPS while your teammates scream at you to stop lagging. Whether you're stuck rendering videos for hours, grinding assignments, or just trying to launch GTA 5 without the system exploding, one thing's clear: you're losing time, patience, and frames. That choppy, pixelated experience is draining your fun, frying your workflow, and straight up testing your will to exist. You're not the problem, your PC is. And no, duct tape won't fix it. You need a rig that doesn't slow your roll, ruin your rank, or roast your sanity. Now imagine this. You're mid-match, your squad's relying on you, and boom. Freeze frame. Again. Dead again. That hot garbage system you're clinging to? It's the reason you're stuck in silver, missing deadlines, and editing video clips like it's 2008. Every crash, lag spike, and blue screen moment is a direct punch to your productivity and passion. The frustration is building. You've got AAA dreams, but a bargain bin reality. Crushing deadlines, failed uploads, and your 10th forced reboot of the day. How long are you gonna let bad hardware boss you around? Enter the STGAubron gaming PC desktop, your knight in RGB armor. With a mighty AMD Athlon 3000G CPU and a Radeon RX 598G GDDR5 GPU, this beast slices through AAA titles like butter: Fortnite, Warzone, Elden Ring, all 60+ FPS easy. Rocking 16GB DDR4 RAM, a lightning-fast 512GB SSD, and 4 cooling RGB fans that could double as a nightclub, this tower is primed for gaming, editing, trading, and flexing on your entire Discord server. Add in Windows 11 Home, built-in Wi-Fi and BT 5.0, and a freaking RGB mouse and keyboard, and you've got yourself a literal productivity powerhouse. Say goodbye to lag rage and performance anxiety. This is plug-and-play glory, no extra cooling needed, no nonsense bloatware, no second guessing. Your streams? Smooth. Your edits? Lightning fast. Your gaming? Absolutely cracked. With blazing SSD boot times, clean connectivity, and fan-powered airflow that could cool your existential dread, the STGAubron is more than just a PC, it's a permission slip to go hard. Whether you're slaying in Apex or slaying that PowerPoint, it's built to keep up and blow past. You've waited long enough, stop crawling through your digital life like it's dial-up season. Level up now. The STGAubron is ready to rock your desk, torch your backlog, and finally give you the performance you've been denied for far too long. With lifetime tech support, a 1-year warranty, and all the RGB sauce you can handle, it's basically a cheat code in a box. So, what are you waiting for? Another crash? Smash that add to cart and let your future self high-five you later.